Hi, this is Paul from Embroidery Source, and today we're going to be looking at Chromablast printing. Chromablast printing uses a special ink called Chromablast and a transfer paper, and this printing technology is made specifically for use on white cotton garments. Can be used on light coloured garments as well, but then it's necessary to trim the image quite closely. So before you apply the image to the garment, it's important to first of all use a lint remover to remove any fluff or loose particles from the surface of the garment, and then to press it either with a hand iron or with a heat press. This achieves two things. It obviously removes the wrinkles from the surface of the garment, but it also removes any moisture that might have been absorbed into the garment. So next we place the print onto the top of the t-shirt or the cotton fabric. We cover it with a protective sheet, which is usually Teflon sheet or it could be craft paper, and then you will apply heat to the surface of the print, either using a hand iron or preferably with a heat press. We're using a heat press. We use a temperature of 190 degrees for about 35 to 45 seconds. Once the image has been applied, we then remove the transfer paper using a slow, steady motion, and we do this whilst the garment is still on the heat press, so it retains its heat. And then immediately after removing the surface paper, we stretch the print both top to bottom and side to side. This gives it a much softer hand, and of course this will improve even more after the first wash. Thank you for watching. That's Chromablast printing for cotton garments.